Okay, guys. Today we'll take area of parallelograms, page 435. Now we are done with the chapter 7. I think we did everything. We did each questions there, all of the questions, sorry. So please study it very well because it will be included in the second exam. Today we'll take a different thing, which is area. We'll talk about area, how we'll find the area. First of all, what is the parallelogram? The parallelogram, it's a quadrilateral. And when I say a quadrilateral, it is four-sided polygon like this one. Okay, it is four-sided polygon like this one. This is, we call it parallelogram. In parallelogram, guys, each opposite sides are equal. Means this side is equal to this side in length, and this side here is equal to this side in length. Okay, this is, we call it parallelogram. Now, in the parallelogram, we have two dimensions. We need to find its area. We need the base. This we call it base, and we will symbol it by B. And this here, guys, this distance here, okay, we will call it H. We will call it H. And what's the H, guys? H is the height of the parallelogram. So we have base and height. Now the height, how we know the height, guys? The height always should be have right angle at the end, and right angle means it's 90 degree. We know that. So we have base and we have height of the parallelogram. If you know the base and the height, you can find it is what? Area. You can find its area. What's the area, guys? It's the number of the square units in this figure. Okay, the number of the square units in this figure means if I divided this graph into square units, okay, and count them, this is, we call it the area. So here the base, here the height. Now how we find the area? We follow the formula of the area. The area of parallelogram is, area in general, we call it A. Area in general, big A means area. Area of a triangle, area of rectangle, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, it's a small, easy formula. A equal B, which is the base, multiply H, which is the height. B, which is the base, multiply H, which is the height. This is the formula. We read it A equal BH. BH. BH means the base multiply the height. For example, focus here, guys. Example, if I have this parallelogram with base, let's say 6 centimeter, and height here, the height, guys, we can make it here, we can make it inside. It's okay. I will make it inside. And the height here, and how we know the height? We said the height has right angle at the end. This is the height. And the height, let's say 5 centimeters. So the base is 6 and the height is 5. What's the area? The area equals, so the base equals 6. The height equals 5. Now we need to find the area. Write the formula. First step, always write the formula. A equal BH. This is BH. Equal under equal. What's now? We replace, we know the idea. We replace the variables by the given numbers. B is 6, H is 5, not 65. It is 6 multiply 5. Don't forget that. BH means B multiply H. Now 6 multiply 5, it is equal to 30. Now the unit of the area is, the units here is centimeter. The units are centimeters. So A equal 30, we put centimeter, and up here we put 2, like this. What's this mean? Centimeter to the power of 2, or centimeter squared, or squared centimeter, whatever. but you need to put exponent 2 on the unit of the area. Why we put exponent 2, guys? Because we have two dimensions. B, H. B a dimension, and H is a dimension. When we have two dimensions, we put power 2 on the unit. This is how we find the area of the parallelogram. We follow its formula, which is A equal BH. BH means 6 multiply 5 equal 30. Focus, guys, on the height here. The height sometimes tricks you. Sometimes the book will give you, or this side is not the height. For example, if this side is 7 centimeter, I don't care about it. I care about the base and the height only. The base and the height only, okay? So here, this is how you find the area of parallelogram. Now, sometimes the question will give you the area and wants from you the base or the height. For example, look here, guys, it's important. Example, if the area of a parallelogram is, let's say, 24 meter square. The area is given. If the area of a parallelogram is 24 meter power 2 and its base is 8 meter, find its height. Find its height. So here the base is given, the height is given. They want from us to find the area. Here, شيل ايدك يا ابني، شيل ايدك، شيل ايدك. Here, guys, if the area is given, okay, and the base is given, we want the height. So we don't know. Now, the thing which connects the area and the base and the height together is the formula. So we write the formula. Let's write the formula. A equal BH. Now, what's A? A is given. How much A? If the area of a parallelogram is 24 meter power 2. So A is 24. So in place of A, I will put 24 equal. Equal comes down. The base and its base is 8. So the P is 8. Now find its height. I want the height. So 24 equal 8h. And this is what we call it, guys. It is multiplication equation. We did that before. If we have multiplication, we divide in both sides with the coefficient, which is 8. So 24 equal 8h. We divide both sides as we did a lot before, يا ويل اللي نسيها, by 8 in both sides. So the 8's are gone. Still h equal 24 divided by 8 is a 3. So h is how much? A 3. 3 what? 3 of the same unit. The units are meter, so I put meter. Not meter power 2, no. It's height, not area. The area only is power 2, but the height, no. So the height here is a 3 meters. So sometimes, focus, guys, we have two ideas here. If the base and the height is given, sometimes the base and the height is given and they want the area, we apply the formula directly. Sometimes the area is given and one of the two dimensions is given, they want the other dimension, either the base or the height, whatever. We follow the same formula, but it turns to multiplication equation. This is the ideas of this lesson, guys. How to find the area, how to deal with the area. Let's do examples. Let's do example. Example 1. Example 1. So we are in example 1 now. Page, I don't know which page, 437. طيب. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Put your hands if you have any questions. Yes, Abdul Hamid.
No, I raised my hand to answer because you said example.
طيب, read example 1. يلا.
Okay. Example 1. Romila is painting a replica of the national flag of Trinidad and Tobago for
يا
a
سلام.
research project.
شو اسمها؟ ترينيداد اند توباغو.
Romila.
كمل.
Romila is painting.
يلا روميلا فاضي اليوم. كمل.
Yeah, is painting a replica of the national flag of Trinidad and Tobago
حلو.
for a research project.
تمام. Find the area of the black stripe, right?
Yeah.
يلا. The black stripe, guys, they want the part, the black part, this one, right?
Right.
Now, they gave us here how much? What's here? What's the number here?
The base. It is
What is
6
it?
3/4 inches.
6 and 3/4 inches. And here at the end, guys, we have something like this, and they gave us this
30
dimension.
inches.
How much? Huh?
30 inches.
30
Yeah.
inches. So we have the base, and what's this, guys?
We
What's
have the
this?
height.
Yeah, this is the height because this is the right angle of it. Okay, so we have the base and we have the height, and the question wants the area of the black stripe, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, tell me what we will do, yeah, mister.
We will multiply them together first. The A equal BH.
ايوه ايوه اختصر. A equal BH, the formula. We start with what?
Formula.
ايوه يلا. A equal BH. I want the A.
Yeah.
A equal under equal. guys زي هيك بدي اياك تحل.
Okay.
انا بدي هيك حر. The answer is 202 decimal 5. This is equal 202 decimal 5. Decimal 5. Now, what is the... بدر لا توقف تسجيل. What is the unit, guys? The unit is what? Inch. So what I will put here? Inch square, like this one. Again, this is example 1. We have this stripe. They want from us to find the area. Here is the base, and here is the height of the stripe, all of it. Now, this is the formula. Equal under equal, like this. Replace the numbers. Multiply, simplify, put the unit. This is example 1, page 437. Let's do the check after the example. Let's do the check, guys, after the example. After example 1, we have check. Let's do it. ما في يعني غير عبد الرحمن وبدر وعبد الحميد. ايش في؟ طيب. يا ويلو اللي حختاره هلا وما يكون معي. يا ويلو. طيب. حختار. مستر يحيى. Talk with me. يحيى. حلو. محمود علوان.
Yes,
ريان.
Mr.
Talk with me يا محمود. Where are we now يا محمود? Where are we يا مستر? Where are we? Uh-huh. حلو. Rayyan,
Yes, Mister.
where are we, Rayyan?
We are in the check.
After example 1, read Rayyan.
Find the area of the parking space shown.
Good. We have this area, I think something like that, and the car is here, right?
Yes.
Right. Now here, what's this? How much is this,
Uh,
Rayyan?
9 and 1/4 feet.
9 and 1/4 feet. And how much is this here?
18 feet.
18 feet. Good.
Feet.
Now, what's this? What we call this dimension here? What we call it for the parallelogram? This is our parallelogram. What we call this? But
The
this, what we
base.
call this? This is the base, Mumtaz. And what we call this?
Uh,
Hmm. We call it?
inch.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. Are you with me, Rayyan?
Yes.
Yalla, Rayyan, sorry. What we call this, Yabni, this dimension here?
An inch.
لا ما ركز. هذا البيز مظبوط.
Yes.
This we call it the height. We call it what?
The height.
The height. How we know its height? At the end here we have right
Height.
angle. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the height and this is the base. We want to find the area of this parking here. Do you know the formula of the area?
The base.
What's the area, Yabni? What's the formula? Do you know the formula, Yabni?
It's BH.
طيب احكي يا ابني ليش شكل يعني ليش بتتعبوا قلبي انتم؟ A equal what? BH.
BH.
Good. Now what we will do, tell me how we find it.
We will make A equal and
What's the base يا ابني? How much the base?
and 9 and 1/4.
In place of B we put 9 and 1/4. صعبة يا ريان.
لا.
طب what's between B and H here? What's between them?
Decimal.
لا ما فيش decimal. Do you have anything here يا ريان?
No.
So what's this mean here? What we will put? If we have nothing between two things, means what in mathematics? Look here, Yabni. What's between here? We put what?
Multiply.
Always multiply.
18.
Okay?
Multiply
Yeah,
18.
multiply 18. It's easy, Rayyan. This is the area. Replace the base by its number, replace the height by its number, and multiply between them. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
It's
Now
easy.
we calculate. Now we calculate normally. We have mixed number, turn it to fraction. This is over 1 and do whatever. So this is equal 4 by 9, 36 plus 1,
37.
37 over 4. And this is the 18 will be 18 over 1, صح?
Yes.
This is equal, multiply up, multiply down, 37 by 18. 3718 multiply 6
It's equal
5 21
666.
26. متأكد؟
Yes.
8 by 7 56. 8 by 3 24. With 5 29.
No,
Yes.
648. 648.
Wait, Yabni, wait. I'm calculating it. Now 1 is 0 7 3 6 6 1 3 with it 666 Yabni. Yes, 666 here up. Now
666.
divide 666 divided by 4, long division. 666 divided by 4, 1 4 subtract 2, 6 6 24 subtract 2, 6 6 24 subtract 2, decimal 0 5 20
2664.
subtract 166.5 يا ابني. Okay, so this is equal 166.5 what? What's the unit يا ابني?
Feet.
We put feet to the power of 2. This is the
But
check, guys.
why we
Hmm.
put to the power of 2?
Because in the area, how many dimensions we have? We have 2 dimensions.
B and
In the
H.
area, the unit of the area, always we put power of 2. Always. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. This is the check, guys. After example 1, copy it and please the solution make it at this way. Formula equal, 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 under equal until you get the final answer. Don't forget that, please. This is the check. It is on page 437. Now, if you have any questions, guys, you can ask me, please. If you don't remove your hand so I can manage the things here, please. Omar.
Mister, I don't understand this question. Check.
This is the base, this is the height, صح يا عمر؟
Yes.
طيب, what's the formula? What's the
9
formula?
and 1.
بنحكي.
9.
What is the formula يا ابني؟
A equal BH.
طيب, this is the formula. How much is B?
B equal 9 and 1 over 4.
I replace it by 9, 1 over 4. How much is H? 18. Do you know how you multiply these two numbers?
Yes.
خلاص, إيش المشكلة يعني? What's the problem? I'm asking you, ابني, I'm waiting your question.
Yes, this is my question. Thank you.
Your question is what? You didn't ask. Right. This is the check, guys. I will give you another example about this idea. Okay, so try to copy it in your copy book. So here we did example 1 and the check. Don't forget that. For example, not always the questions not always have a graph with it. So sometimes the question will be written a question. For example, a parallelogram with base 16 meter and height 10 meter. Find its area. So not always the question came up with a graph. Sometimes it's written a question. So we read the question, check what's the given, what's the wanted, then see the formula which we need to use. So who can help me in this one here? Yes, Abdul
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا ابني, tell.
Okay,
A
a
parallelogram
parallelogram.
with base 16 meter and height 10 meter. Find its area. What we will do?
Okay, we will make A equal BH
This is the formula. We always write it
equal
before
under
doing
equal.
anything. Before doing anything, we write the formula. It's easy.
Yes.
A equal BH equal under equal. Yes, يا ابني.
And you will make 6 multiply 10.
وين هال6 هذه؟ ما فيش 6 عندي أنا.
You say, after base 16 or 6
أما
meters.
no, it is 1 with 6. We call it 16. Do you know it?
Yes.
Yeah. So here, what I will do?
We will replace B by 16.
أيوة.
16 multiply 10 meter
10.
is equal 160 meter.
This is 160. What's the unit? Meter?
In
لا.
power 2.
Square meter or meter power 2 or meter exponent 2 بدك إياه. But we write it like this. Okay?
Okay.
This is example. Another example with the same idea. For example, in a parallelogram, if B is 3/5 inch and H is 1/2/7 inch, find it is area. This is given examples, guys, not in the book. طيب يوسف.
Yes, mister.
Read يا ابني. In a parallelogram, if B is a 3/5 and H is 1/2/7, what is the area? What is the
Yeah.
B? What's B?
First, write
What's B? I'm asking you.
B as base,
And H?
height.
Well, how we solve this question?
Write the formula A equal BH,
A equal BH, then
then equal and 3/5
3/5 multiply
2/7.
1 and 2/7. Then
Okay. Then make a multiplication.
how?
2 multiply by no.
Mhm.
7 multiply by 1 equal 7.
We turn
Yeah,
the
right.
mixed number to fraction. It is 9/7. Then
9 multiply by 3 equal to
27/35, right?
yeah, right.
Now 27/35, it's in simplest form. The 35 has 3, 5 and 9 and 7, right?
Yeah.
The 27 only 3 and 9. So there is no common factor, we cannot simplify. And up is more than down, up is less than down. So this is in simplest form. And the unit is what?
The unit is inches to the power of 2.
Yes. This is how we deal with the the area of parallelograms. Hope you understand it very well. Copy these two examples, please, guys. Copy them. Copy them in your copybook. I think Clasera is back to work now. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Copy these two examples. They are not in your book. Okay, guys. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me. Omar, again.
No, Mr. By mistake.
طيب, Kanakriya.
Nothing, Mr. I raise my hand to answer the question.
طيب, let's answer this example with Kanakriya. I will write it here. Kanakriya. Hello. راح بطل.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
ليش رحت يا حبيبي؟ ما انا
I
بحكي
think
معك
you.
قاعد.
I think you.
لا don't think، ما هي مشكلتكم انتوا دائما think. دائما. What يا مستر؟ I think. I don't think يا اخي. يلا do this with me. Hello.
Yes, yes.
يلا. We have this parallelogram here. شوف ما أحلاه.
Yeah.
هذا مش لا هو rectangle ولا parallel ولا إشي هذا. Look here. Okay. Parallelogram. If A is 12 meter
Yes.
or 2, and the height is 6 meter, find the base. What we will do?
We will write the formula.
يلا A equal BH,
BH. Then A equal
mm,
6 meter.
مين قال لك انه
No,
A
no, no,
equals
no, 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 no. 12 equals 6 meter.
ايوه 12 equals 6 meter ممتاز.
Yes.
وبعدين
This is multiplication equation.
هذه multiplication equation.
Yes, Mr. M meter M.
انت شايف البورد ولا لا؟
Yes.
ايش يعني 12 equals 6 meter؟ كيف هاي فهمني اياها.
6M.
What's the meaning of 12 equals 6 meters؟ M ماشي. شو يعني 12 equals 6؟ فهمني اياها. Hello.
Equation. Yes.
يا ابني انا ما انت ركز معي. A equal BH right؟
Yeah.
A is 12 مظبوط؟
No.
ايش نو؟ هاي given يا ابني. A equal 12
Yeah, yeah.
مالك؟ طيب A equal 12 okay؟
Okay.
And you said 12 equal 6 meters هيك صح؟
Yes.
But what's this mean 12 equals 6? Is this make logic 12 equals 6? How come?
6H.
6H صعبة هاي.
No.